बल्कि एक दूसरे से दूर हो।
Meghalaya also celebrated Rashtriya Ekta Divas today in a befitting manner. The State Chief Secretary D.P. Walang administered the pledge for National Unity Day, Rashtriya Ekta Divas, in the presence of senior government officials in the premises of the main secretariat, Shillong. The main objective of the observation of the day is to provide an opportunity to reaffirm the inherent strength and resilience of the nation to withstand the actual and potential threats to the unity, integrity and security of the country. The Run for Unity was organized by CRPF in Shillong as part of the Ekta Divas.
Organizing such an event, we give a strong message to our whole nation and whole people of this country that we are united and we are strong enough to face any challenges in front of our country, and we are all united for our whole purpose.